Hello everyone, let's create this simple HTML and CSS button hover trick in just 3 minutes. In my HTML element, in my HTML file, I'll create a button with an inner text of hover over me, and that will be it. Now CSS, first I'll style the body of my viewport, my HTML element. By doing this, we'll place this button at the immediate center of my viewport. Now let's style the button itself. So we'll give it some features and a couple of properties to make our button visible enough and catchy to the eye by changing the paddings, giving it a font family of Poppins, which is a Google font actually, bolding the text a bit, and set the border of my button. Now add a few properties to it, and that will be it for my button for now. Now we'll use the before pseudo-element to add the purple background color to it when we hover over it, by setting the content to an empty string and giving it some properties for my purple background to be visible. I'll give the button a position of relative and set the position of my before pseudo element to absolute. And this will bind the before pseudo element, the before property or before background I'm giving it. This will bind it to my button. And so this will be how my background will look like after I hover over my button. So when we hover over the button, I'll change the font color to white and give it a transition to make it smooth. Now I'll style my button when we hover over it. What will happen to the before element? First, I'll set the height of the whole thing to 0% so that it won't be visible. And now when I hover over it, I'll set the height to 100% and give it a transition of 0.5 seconds easy in, so that there will be a smooth transition from the button to the top. So this will be it for my style, and it's a simple tutorial you should be able to do on your own. Here's the actual button. Here is the style I've given it. So if you like this video, subscribe and like this video for